All right, hello traders. Let's give this puppy a few more minutes. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. I'm very happy to see you all today. We are continuing on with our daily trade signals, and by the time I ran to the computer in order to put this position on, already 10 minutes have passed, and so we kind of missed this reversal pattern right here. But I wanted to direct your attention to the British pound Swiss franc currency pair because, well, later on this week, there's some important statistics for the British pound that will come out and they will affect the currency pair. But we are trading intraday because the pattern that we see right now is a bullish engulfing pattern. On all time frames, it looks like a very solid reversal pattern. On the 15-minute, we're already there. On the 1 hour, we're not quite there, but we can see that there was a long wick to the bottom, this long kind of Pinocchio candle. And one more important thing that you guys should definitely check out, I am going to take this trade, so give me a sec, Rip in pound CHF. Before I talk way too much with you guys, I need to go ahead and enter the trade. So 30-minute or $300 for about 45 minutes in the up direction. So oof, already we missed more than a little bit of the move, but I want to explain why we're taking the trade. So if you guys pay attention to the historics of the graph, right over here, I wanted to direct your attention to so here we have a downtrend, right? This is a downtrend. And notice, so after a big fall, what the price action does. So after a big fall, the price action goes flat, and the candle immediately after is very small. Again, a nice fall down, and then the following candles, like the following several candles, they show a little bit of uncertainty, a little bit of hesitancy, and that's not what we want to see on a reversal pattern. But if we scoot back a little bit farther, and then we have the likes of a big fall down, and then this is what a big correction looks like. So we have a doji candle, which we saw on the where did we see it? On the 5-minute graph. I may have taken way too long of a time to enter the trade. Oh. But here we have the likes of a very solid and price is very confident. Unfortunately, again, I missed it. Anyways, we have 45 minutes that we're going to sit in the trade for on the FTT platform. And again, looking at just the history of the graph, it's very likely that from there we could have a correction. Very unfortunate that we opened it up right in the opposite direction. Or that as soon as we opened up, price went in the opposite direction. Yeah, this does not, unfortunately, this does not bode well for our trade. So when you do see a situation like this, when you see that the trade goes immediately against you, I would go ahead and close the position. So 141, half of the trade amount we still kept, and so we're gonna come back at this tomorrow. You guys, same place, same time. I will show you guys some better entries, and we will have an opportunity to open them up together. So without further ado, again, this trade immediately went against us. I don't want to be sitting in a losing trade, and the mechanics for FTT trades is that you have the opportunity to save yourself some money if you see that the trade goes against you in the opposite direction. So it's actually quite wonderful that the trade opens up, or that you get a chance to see what that kind of discipline looks like. So when you make a wrong call, it's also always favorable to close while there's still time left in your trade. All right, thank you guys so much, and see you guys tomorrow.